Hello friends, so this video is about how to enable a dark window in your computer and your laptop. Uh, so basically, normally you have seen in your in Windows 10 you have this light theme. So every PC have the same theme. So maybe it's like look like same, everything same. So if you want some different, and if you want some dark things. So if you want make your laptop or PC different from other PC people, so you can use this dark theme and it's very good. I personally use this one. So how you will do this? First of all, now the latest window updates have has this feature. So what you can do, just right click and from personalize, and from personalize you can see this everything is light color. Here is light color, so it's like common thing. So from colors, click on colors. Here you see light and dark, so two themes are available. So when I click dark, so everything now will be in dark color. So I close this one. You see this one, our right click window is also in dark color, and it's our start menus you see is also in dark color, and our what you say, my computer and our browser, everything you see is in dark color. Okay, so now here you can uh, basically see here, so everything dark, no any light color. Also from browser, if you see, here's everything is dark color. So if you want to change some colors, so you can also do from here. Just right click again, go personalize, and from this colors you see has window colors you can change. If I you want this violet color, so you can see here you have violet color. So maybe it is cool. Okay, so here other colors are there. Maybe you use yellow color. So from here you see here is there yellow icons there, and also from if you check here, so here also yellow color. So this color is up to you, which color you like, which color you want to set. So basically what I do, I usually keep this black uh, color for my window, so it looks cool and different from other PC. So basically, this was a simple thing I want to tell you. Maybe some of people you don't know. So this was all about for this video. So I hope in next video I will come with some other more interesting and important tips and tricks. Till then, see you. Bye bye.